What is going on, people? Welcome back to another video on AJ5, and in today's video guys we do have an update on Bonk, which has hit a green candle guys. Not just Bonk, but the crypto market is on the green side today. Majority of them are slowly starting to recover from the major drop that took place earlier on this week, especially with Bitcoin dropping down to $57,000 late last night. However, it has pumped up, but it is still down because it is still below $60,000. So we're going to be going through what is next for Bonk. Is this the recovery point? Is it time to buy it? Is it time to sell it? Or is it simply time to hold on to it? And essentially covering both buyers and sellers point of view, looking at what the best option is and looking through its short-term and long-term prediction in 2024, how high and how low this crypto can go. But before I get into all of that stuff guys, if you're new to the channel and haven't subscribed yet, make sure to go down and smash that subscribe button, as well as like the video, as I am trying to hit 100,000 subscribers by the end of the year. And if you guys can help me hit that target, I will be doing a cryptocurrency giveaway, which you guys can join by simply subscribing to the channel. And for a bonus entry, follow me on Instagram. Link to that will be in the description box down below. So we are currently looking at the candlestick pattern chart with the Fibonacci scale, and as you guys can see, Bonk has literally been in and out of the dark green and blue zone, up and down, and it is still ongoing right now. So it should either break out and potentially head up to the upper level of the blue zone and head into the top tier level, or literally just crash back down in value, which I will be going through. But for now, let's hide this and bring out the usual MACD indicator to do some price prediction, as I'm pretty sure that's what most of you guys are here for. So we are looking at the daily chart right now, and at the top here we've got the purple line running across the chart, giving us the average value of Bonk, which is here in purple. However, the crypto is trading at a slightly higher value here in red, meaning it is performing quite well and better than expected. So let's zoom in into the 30-minute chart for the short-term traders, and then I'll move on to the hourly, daily and weekly chart for the long-term investors like myself. But before I do that guys, just a little disclaimer. As usual, this is no financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. Anything I say is from my own prediction and my take on this crypto, and any gains or losses you guys make, I will not be responsible for. So zooming into the 30-minute chart here, we are looking quite skeptical. As you guys can see, we've got the blue line looking slightly bearish, heading towards the negative direction, and the orange line is looking quite bullish, heading towards the positive direction. So essentially what we have here is two lines going the opposite direction to each other, meaning an overall fluctuation in value is what is expected from Bonk over the next 12 to 14 hours. So in the early hours of tomorrow to tomorrow midday, the crypto should essentially be hovering around its current price range. However, I'm expecting it to hit red candles as well as green candles, so taking a little bit of a step back in value before it slowly starts to gain value once again earlier on tomorrow morning, meaning it should more or less flatten out to its current price range, hence why an overall fluctuation in value is expected. Now moving on to the hourly chart, next couple of days now we're looking a little bit too steep. We got both the blue and the orange line looking quite bullish, heading towards a positive direction, and they are looking quite steep as well, meaning this is not as realistic as it seems. Reason they're looking so steep is because of the pump that's taken place over the last couple of hours. The graph thinks the crypto is going to keep pumping in that direction and at that pace, which is clearly not the case. So over the next 7 to 8 days, by mid to end of next week, I'm expecting Bonk to be trading at a slightly higher value than where it is at the moment. However, I'm not expecting any major pumps or bull runs or anything like that. I'm expecting the crypto market to go through a minimal recovery, hitting more green candles, and Bonk is likely to follow a similar pattern, meaning trading at a slightly higher value than where it is at the moment is what I'm expecting. Of course, do expect the odd red days in between here and there, but what matters is the overall outcome, which at this point does seem to be more on the positive side. Now moving on to the daily chart, next couple of weeks now we're not looking as steep as the previous two charts, meaning it's much more realistic. So here we've got the blue and the orange line both looking quite bullish, heading towards a positive direction, meaning an overall increase in value is what is expected from Bonk over the next 6 to 8 weeks. However, this is what the graph predicts. My predictions and the analysis and predictions that I have done, I'm expecting Bonk to go for an overall drop in value over the next 6 to 8 weeks, so mid to late June 2024. The crypto should essentially be trading at a lower value than where it is at the moment, is what my predictions are at the moment. Reason being is I'm not expecting the crypto to be sustainable due to the major pump that's taken place late last year and earlier on this year as well. And even when it was pumping like crazy last year, I did expect it to crash back down in value later on this year, and I still stick by what I said. So by mid to late June, July, I'm expecting the crypto to be trading at a much lower value than where it is at the moment, again because it's not sustainable, and I do not predict it to be ongoing and pumping in the long term as well. But let me explain it in a little bit more detail. So let's bring out the Fibonacci scale. As you guys can see, we are currently trading in the blue zone, and I'm expecting it to drop down into the dark green zone and green zone by late May, early June, and potentially back into the red zone by mid to late June, July. It should have crashed back down into the red zone, is what my expectations are at the moment. However, Bonk is a crypto that I keep you guys updated on a regular basis, so if there are any major updates or news that come across that can have a potential impact on its value, either in a bullish or bearish direction, I will let you guys know as soon as possible. So make sure you guys stay subscribed and turn on the bell notifications to get notified every time I upload. So let's get rid of the Fibonacci scale. Heading into the CoinMarketCap website here, we can see the trading volume has gone up near about 70% in the last 24 hours, making it over $550 million in trading, guys, which is again a huge increase in trading. Reason being is, of course, it has gained quite a huge amount of value, so a lot more people have started to trade the crypto. However, if we zoom out a little bit more to the weekly chart, it is down over 5%, guys. Again, it may look all good and nice when you look at the 24 hours chart is pumping. However, the reality is that it is still down. It is slowly starting to recover, and it is nowhere near recovered. And over the month, it is just about 9% up, with major drops here earlier on in April, pumped back up in value. So it has been quite volatile for the crypto market. April has been a volatile month. However, it has been more or less, well, right now on the green side. So yeah, this is my take and my prediction on Bonk, guys. Let me know in the comment section down below how high or how low are you guys expecting this crypto to go in 2024, as I'm very intrigued to see how many of you guys are bullish and how many of you guys are bearish on this crypto. And on that note, I'm going to end the video here, guys. I just want to say a massive thank you to every single one of you who have been subscribing, liking, commenting, and just supporting the channel in any way or form, and especially all the subscribers out there. Thank you guys so much, as it helps me out a lot and means a lot to me, as I am trying to hit 100k by the end of the year. And at the end of the day, guys, it's free to subscribe, so why don't you go down and smash that subscribe button and like the video, and I'll catch all of you guys in my next crypto update, which should hopefully be later on today or tomorrow. Until then, take care and peace.